Hey everyone and welcome back to another vlog. So today I have just been to university. I had 2 hours. One was a mentoring session where we just like have to just say if there's anything wrong with our courses, what we're enjoying, what we're not. Come in. I was vlogging. And then my second lecture was genetics, which is really boring and I need to write up my notes because he was going way too quick and I couldn't catch up. Hatman's here. Yay! We're gonna go make some lunch because you haven't eaten today and it's now just gone 1 o'clock. Yeah.
I had 2 bowls of cereal.
Yeah. And do my notes and be productive hopefully. My camera is playing up big time today. It's pissing me off so much. Anyway, what have I done this morning? So after I went to my lectures, me and Hattie had lunch. I had a little bit of pasta and a milkshake. A protein shake, and I have been editing and filming since. I have just uploaded a new crime scene. I've just uploaded a new crime video and I'm really excited to share it. It's a missing persons case. So go ahead and check that out. I'll leave it at the end of this video and in the link down below. But yeah, I've just edited it and getting it up alongside my vlog. It was all a bit of a rush, but I'm going to be studying for the rest of the evening. I'm going to be doing my genetics stuff because I missed a lecture last week and he was going really quick in my lecture today, so I'm going to be doing some notes. I'm going to walk you through what I sort of do when I'm like redoing my notes and things I pick out and how I sort of organise everything. So yeah, I thought I'd do that because I thought you might be interested. Haven't really done anything else today though because I've been so busy and focused on my filming. So I thought I'd explain what I'm sort of doing. So I am going through my notes from today's lecture and adding in bits that I didn't quite catch. Some of the lecturers move a little bit faster than others and some slower than others, so I couldn't quite like get all of the information that were on the slides because everything's really important because it's sort of the basics of DNA and how it replicates and how it synthesizes. So I needed to get a lot of information down today, but I just couldn't keep up. So I've decided to, I prefer writing out my notes rather than typing them because, I don't know, I like hard copies of things. So I'm filling in any of the gaps. I've just done this page, but I have some gaps from things that I missed. So that's what I'm currently doing, by the way. I forgot to explain. I've just got the PowerPoint up. Most universities have Blackboard as their sort of site. I'll show you. Sorry, my video's almost uploaded, but we have a site called Blackboard and it has every single like module on and all the different, and the lecturers upload all of their materials and workshops and seminars and lectures and stuff onto this site so we can access it whenever we want, and that's what I'm doing. I'm just having a look at this. So yeah, this is what I'm doing at the minute. It's kind of going over what I did at A-level, but in a much more complex way. I did manage to keep up with everything though, because I had got quite a good knowledge from A-level. So if you're taking A-level biology, this is going to be okay for you. You just need to like sort of add on to what you already know, but yeah. Yay! I didn't read the actual instructions on here apart from just to pop 2 tablets into water and it's turned orange, so I was so confused, but they're orange flavoured tablets and they're supposed to help with rehydration and contains vitamins and minerals, so I'm hoping this saves me a lot because I'm feeling very low right now. So I finally finished doing work. I've been doing work since about 2 o'clock, so yeah, like 4 hours ish. I'm making it a priority to literally work 4 to 6 hours every single day. Because that's what I've paid to come here for, so I'm going to make it a mission to like keep on top of things. I am on top of things at the minute, but I just want to keep it that way. I finished that, now I've got the rest of the evening to myself, I can do whatever I want. I'm going to make some dinner soon because it's 6:30. I'm going to put my boyfriend's Valentine's present together and I just thought I'd pop you on the side so you can watch me do it and hopefully sort it out. I'm in a weird outfit, by the way, because I just wanted to be comfy, so I'm in my new jumper that I wore yesterday and cozy jogging bottoms. But anyway, yeah, this is how big the frame is. It is literally the width of my bed. How insane. So I'm going to pop this here and then I've got the print in here. So hopefully I can manage to put it in myself. I might need to go get Hattie to help me. But yeah, I'm really excited to show you what it looks like when it's all together. It's going to go up in my Valentine's Day gift guide part 2, which is up on my channel, up on my blog at the same time as this. So if you want to see my second part of my Valentine's gift guide, if you're wondering what to get someone, then you might want to have a look tomorrow for this. Right, I'm gonna go and get Hattie from her room and see if she can help me, because I've got false nails on and I can't like pick the parts of the frame up, so let's go get Hattie. Hattie was on the phone to announce I'm gonna just wait for her and see if she can help me pull these up. Yay, I managed to do it. I was using tweezers to like pick the metal bits up. Anyway. This is stressing me out way more than it should, so I'm gonna wait for Hattie to come and help. So I've just had soup for dinner and I've been watching the East Midlands bloggers live chat tonight. But I have, just before we had dinner, hopefully this will focus. Will you focus? Yes, it will. Hattie helped me put this together. So this is what I've got my boyfriend for Valentine's Day. I know some people find this stuff cringy, so skip along if you don't like it, because I don't care. I have bought my boyfriend this for Valentine's Day. It has our names at the top, Valentine's 2018, and then these are stars, and it's significant because it's literally the stars that were above our school. It's kind of cringe because me and Aiden have been together since we were 14, so he asked me out at school, I know, but I thought it was cute anyway, and I got the road where my school was, the date and the exact time that Aiden asked me out, and the stars above the sky at that time. So I thought it was really cute, and I thought it would be nice for his room because I kept it monochrome and stuff, so he could put it in wherever he wanted to. And now I'm jealous and I want one myself, but it did take ages to put together, and I'm going to have to carry this to London next time I go in February, because it's Aiden's birthday then. It's really close now. I need to go get him his other thing. I can't bother to turn the camera on, but I have, oh god, it's so messy. Yes, that's Aiden's Valentine's present, and what I'm getting him for his birthday is so exciting. I'm buying us a trip to hopefully Switzerland to go skiing, which is so exciting, but I need to buy him some ski gloves, and I'm gonna like pop the note or like whatever I decide to create inside the gloves, and then he'll see it. But yeah, I need to plan that all out before I go in 2 weeks time. I think it looks really cool. I don't know, I thought it was a little bit different to the classic, like an aftershave or chocolate or something like that. So I am just in bed. I am going to take my makeup off very soon, but I'm gonna edit some videos for tomorrow's blog post in the comfort of my bed, because I feel like I just need to lie down as I've been working for ages. I'm sorry I haven't got up to anything very exciting today. I just wanted to catch up on my work that I'd missed last week. I just wanted to ask you guys if you want to see any travel content between now and March and April, then please let me know, as I am planning on putting some more like travel content on my main channel. I'm not really sure what people want to see. Do you want to see what I have in my like carry-on bag, like what I take on the plane, or if you want to see a pack with me? I'm not really sure, like, do people like travel content on my main channel, or do they just prefer it in a vlog style? I don't know. I just wanted to ask you guys because it's been going through my head. Thank you very much for watching this vlog. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe down below if you're new, and I will see you tomorrow for a brand new vlog. Night.